We are doing another installation here. We have showed you a lot of residential installations. We had comments and requests to show the liquid cooled installations and more commercial or industrial. So this is the day we are doing this installation in the Saint Laurent area of Montreal. As you can tell, this is a metal factory, and we are doing a 48 kilowatt liquid cooled. There is a lot of distance between the location of the transfer switch and the generator itself. So we already passed the wires, and we have mounted the transfer switch. We'll start with the connections. They are doing some part of the lighting and the server rooms and the office area, so that during the power failure they have the factory functional. It's a pretty good option. The liquid cools are really good units. They are durable, designed for this size, not really big, medium size commercial units. We can do installation up to 250 kilowatt of liquid cooled units, which are 600 watts. So 250 kilowatts, 600 watts. That's it. So we are going to show you more details during the process of the installation. When we receive a request for a Generac generator installation, we have to check with the customers of the loads that they are putting on the generator. So if there is a 15 amp or a 30 amp or a 60 amp or a 100 amp, how much voltage is it? It makes a difference. So we have to check with them all the appliances that they want to be on the generator, and then we are going to provide them with the exact size that they need. We can't go really smaller and we can't go a lot bigger. So it has to be something that they need, a little bit more than what they're asking today, so that there is enough room in future if they want to add some items on it. But it can't be a big difference between what they want to be on the generator and what we provide to them. This is what we discussed with the customer before ordering the generator and placing the order, so that we will need to have a meeting with them to make sure what we provide is what they need, and then we will proceed with the rest of the project. Checking the requirements of the customer is the first step of doing such a big project.